Hi guys, turned the oven on the other day to heat up. It was on for about 20 minutes and wouldn't heat up. Everything else on the oven works, the light, obviously the top grill, everything works, just not the fan assisted oven. So I had a little look, checked out the model number, and then from the model number I ordered a new element. Now the element itself is at the back and it runs around the outside of that fan. So just going to do a quick video on how to remove the screws, replace the element and get it working again. First you just need to undo your 4 screws. Obviously at this point just make sure you have definitely isolated your electrics to the oven. And you need to undo your fixing screw for your element, and also fixing screw this side. Some elements have the fixings in a different place. When you pull the element forward, just be careful not to strip the electrical wires on the oven. Pull this through. The electrical connections were proving a little bit hard to come off at this point, so I just used my grips. All I'm showing you at this point is just to make sure that you wire up it correctly. Obviously I've taken the bottom wire off, so I'm just making sure the bottom wire goes on in the correct order. Do not get these round the wrong way. The other wire was being a pain as well, so just used my grips just to open it up and then pulled him off and banged my hand. Be careful at this point. And then just connected it up. Just replace them 2 back on there. And then slowly feed the wires back through, just being careful not to nick the wire on the oven. And just replace your screws. I've just switched her on. Can already feel the heat coming off of that. Obviously go through the process again where you heat your oven up for an hour or a half hour, whatever the scenario is. Oven's now been on for about 5 minutes and it's about 150 degrees. I'm going to leave it on to 50 and leave it on there for half hour.